As a business owner, it's understandable to feel concerned when you notice your Google business profile showing fewer reviews than you know you have. I want to reassure you that this is a known issue. Google employee Victoria Kroll has confirmed that some profiles are experiencing a display glitch, leading to lower than actual review counts. The good news? Your reviews haven't been removed, they're just not showing correctly at the moment. Google is actively working to fix this and restore the accurate review counts as quickly as possible. So, hang tight. Your hard-earned reviews will be back on display soon, and your customers will see the true reflection of your business. Thank you for your patience during this time. Subscribe now. Looking for mind-blowing facts that will make you the smartest person in the room? Look no further. FactoMatto is your go-to source for jaw-dropping trivia that's perfect for impressing your friends or just satisfying your curiosity. Did you know that honey never spoils? If you want to keep your brain buzzing with fascinating facts like these, subscribe to FactoMatto. Like, share, and subscribe to never miss out on the coolest knowledge that'll keep you entertained and informed.